the foolery, so Sarah. Oh, you love the foolery, so. Eh? We can't get one good picture.
That's the making of one pictures.
The hell would I have to go through because Sarah not looking in the camera, she wanted to see Tyler. And Tyler
Well, we are going to the top of the mountain.
Tyler is so excited.
You feel peaceful.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look at this one. Where's the next two? One is here. One is under the bed hiding. Nobody's in the bedroom. Anyway, you guys, it's early morning and it's freezing in this mountain. 8 degrees. 8 degrees in this mountain. And I am going for a run outside. I tell baby if I come back from one lap, I can't manage the cold, but there's some beautiful hills outside. I decided to take advantage of them vacation, but still gotta get the workout in, right Sarah? Yes, that's the way of saying good morning. Good morning.
Wagwan.
Honey, say morning.
Human is wagwan.
Say morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
You stay with Papa until I come back? It'll be nice until I come back. Well, you guys can't see Tyler, but you hear him. He's under this bed.
Tyler come with his wagwan.
See him there? Say morning.
Morning.
Sarah, see Tyler behind you. Where's Tyler? Where's Tyler? Go find Tyler. Go, go, go.
Oh, that was better when they were more quiet.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going out for a run right now. I'll tell you guys how it is when I get back. Let me see if you guys can see the cable cars from here. Okay, see that thing moving in the air? That's where we're heading right now. That's where we're heading. We're gonna go all the way to the top of the mountain. Hi guys, we are on adventure for today. Let me just tell you guys about the run. What happened just now. So I went running. I did one lap and we were gonna scrap the adventure for today because we should have some rain. And what we wanna do, the rain would kinda pause it a bit. So when I went for the run, I realized that it was possible to go on the adventure. So I called babe and tell him, hey, get ready, I'm not gonna do a second lap. So I did one lap and now we're going on the adventure. Let me show you guys where we're going. We're gonna take these cable cars up here and we're gonna go all the way to the top of the mountain. So yes, so we're going on this cable cars. Bonjour. Go in. Go. Doors closing.
Yes. So excited.
And we are in. We are in. We're in and we're going up.
You're going fast. I love it. Look at that river.
Where?
I love it. I love it.
You love it?
It's going so fast. I love it.
Oh my god.
I thought it was scary for me, but it's not.
Yes.
Well, we are going to the top of the mountain.
Ella is so excited.
Hey guys, when you're going to the mountain, it doesn't matter if it's winter, if it's summer and hot.
Carry a jacket.
Carry some things to keep you warm.
Man.
Because on top,
Oh my god.
or whenever it's cloudy and the sun is not there. Oh,
It gets real.
we're learning slowly. The first time we went, it was so cold. We didn't have nothing. Now we just have a little thing. Next time we're gonna have a warm thing.
Exactly.
Alright, so
We are
this
going
is-
higher.
We are going high.
We are going to the
Starlight,
top
so
of the
This is
mountain.
the house where we stay there.
We're there.
Yeah, this is all of the
Sorry, I don't care. Sorry, I don't even care what's going on right now. Oh my gosh, look down there.
Look how deep.
It's going so
I
That's
see
going
where
fast, I mean.
where we come from. There.
Oh my gosh.
we high. We high but no high. I mean, when you see here, but when you see here, just here, it look like we're not too.
Wow.
But you can feel that you're going up.
Oh, we are going high. We are higher.
We are going up. We are going up.
I'm so excited. We're
Yeah.
almost higher than that mountain. Wow, we are going at the top of this mountain.
I love that. It's a personality.
Excuse me, Tyler. Do you know that the higher you go and the colder it is?
Yes.
You know that? And it's gonna be so beautiful out.
Oh my gosh. Can't wait to see. Sorry, just chilling. You don't even feel that you're going up if you don't look out the windows and see.
I still can't see where we are coming from and we are so high.
This,
Wow.
this light's
Sorry,
really
ready
so
for a
strong
morning nap.
to carry all of this.
Papa, on dirait comme si I am the castor.
Oui.
Sarah will be happy today because she's on me, so she's gonna nap easily. Yesterday she cried. And up this mountain they do a lot of trail biking, so these cable cars carry the bikers up here and they ride down. My baby falling asleep.
Hmm.
When you go in things like these, they fall
There
like
we are,
trip or
almost there, we
something.
are almost there, we are almost there. We're almost there, we're almost there.
Now the bike friendly engines.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
It was so fun.
Stay right there, Tyler. It won't stop, remember. Go, go, Ty, go. So there we go. We just get off and it doesn't stop. It just slow down and you have to get out. So that's cool. We're at the top! We are at the top of the mountains. What a beauty! Oh my god! We made it! We made it, fam bam! Turn around! Fam! Fam! Hey! Die! Don't block him!
So excited, so excited, so excited.
Okay guys, so we've reached the top of the mountain right now, and hopefully you guys will be able to see this beautiful view that we're seeing. This building in front of me right here is a restaurant which is closed at summertime and mostly open at winter time. So during snowing, people that's up here don't have to go down to get to a restaurant. So I think that's a cool idea. And as you guys can see, all the bikers are about to bike the trail. There's some passing in front of me. So they bike down and go all the way back down to the where we started. So we're gonna walk this trail a bit and enter the mountainside. Princess take her morning nap. It's a little bit chilly, but we have our sweaters. Wish we had thicker ones, but as you go on adventures, you learn. Exactly. We're staying down there. That's where we're staying. Let me zoom and show you guys where we are. Where you see all these houses, that's where we're staying.
To make it easy, you sit down the brown.
Yeah, ours is in the middle.
Ours is in the middle. It's just there in the middle.
Ooh.
She look comfy like this.
I wish I had the Delaveaus hat.
Right? You having fun?
Yes, but
You're cold, you're not cold. You're not cold,
I'm
yes.
not cold.
So you need to move and not to stay where you are.
I'm sorry, sleeping and I pick up her hat and I leave it on the table.
Oh no.
That's the only thing I regretted, but she's alright. Look at this. Oh, you want to towel from the bag to wrap up? Move, but you good. Come on, let's walk. Come on,
So where are we
walk.
going? We going up to this house?
No,
Or we
not
just
going up to
walk? Hey guys, we are actually walking and this is our field. This is what we see. This is so beautiful. You just feel alone in the world. You just feel quiet, peaceful. Here are the little family. And look at this. I have mountain everywhere. Mountain everywhere. Mountain all around. In winter it will be so pretty. Already. Let's try to catch them. Nobody alone.
Feels so good. All you're hearing is the little animals in the grass, feeling the fresh air, feeling the wind and Humbling.
What's humbling?
Humbling means you're grateful.
What's grateful?
Stand right there. So you guys, we end up doing a trail. We were gonna turn back in order to take back the cable car to get the car, but Tyler said he wanna continue walking just when we decided to turn back. So it's alright. Babe gonna have to walk to go get the car. Probably like 30 minutes walk. But
I will deserve pizza.
he'll deserve a pizza later
I
for dinner.
deserve a pizza tonight if I do all of this.
But we're having fun. The view is beautiful. Sarah woke up from her little nap and we are about to pause in about 20 minutes to give the kids lunch because of course we pack food in the bag. So we're on our way in the mountainside.
Mama?
Dead. We almost reached the lake, you guys, and I'm slowly trickling in to just reach the finish line. I'm gonna have to head into it.
Mama? We first want to reach the lake queen.
What you showing them? What you showing, Faves? Two finger?
Mama?
This is your favorite two fingers. Yes. Tell Faves. Two. Show Faves two. Two. Say two.
Mama?
You hear that? Two.
We said
Two. Show them two. Two.
five.
Two. See? She showed you two. Say two. Two. Two.
Mama, Papa, Mama, you want
Two,
us to reach
yeah,
the lake
two.
queen?
Go,
1,
Ty,
2,
go.
3.
Two.
I'm going to win.
Yes, yes, it's just the beginning, Tyler. Go in. Papa, catch you soon.
Never fails. Two.
Alone. Hey guys, this is where we're going. Just here. But
Two.
whew,
Papa wins second. Where's Mama?
look at that, guys. Where is Mama? Tyler, don't go down. Stay up. Yeah. You almost there?
I win, Mama.
Good job, Ty.
And Papa wins second. You win third.
You guys were having lunch?
The
Best place.
Mama,
Okay, I said that's okay.
Tu veux encore du saucisson?
Yeah.
La peau, j'enlève la peau.
Yummy.
J'aime pas la peau, sauf la peau d'orange.
Hi guys, we just stopped here for a little lunch
And we
break.
need
We
to
all
catch
rest
Mama.
and now we need to catch Mama. We all rested. It was the best picnic spot alone in the wild. And now we're gonna head to the village.
Mama.
Yes. Look guys, where we picnic. This was a 360 view. Oh, we hear somebody. We hear you. Yeah.
Je l'entends. J'entends son écho.
Mhm.
On va l'attraper. On a les lunettes.
Alright guys, this is the view.
Je vais appeler maman.
Mama is just here. Let's see if we see her.
Oh, you love the full result, Sarah. Oh, you love the full result. We can't get one good picture.
That's the making of one pictures.
The hell would I have to go through because Sarah not looking in the camera, she wanted to see Tyler, and Tyler I holding on to my ear. What? Look at them. Come look at them. Come look at them away. The foolery. I can't even catch the picture. Honey, can you catch the picture, please?
You
Take
sure?
this. Honey.
We're following Babes on our way. Looks like she don't know where she's going. Left or right. We are at the little farm. There's a lot of horse here. Oops. That's cool.
Je t'aime, Papa.
Love you too, Tyler.
On give you a key.
Ah, thank you. Alright, this is horses, and here is the chef. Let's go try to catch her.
We're at dinner, you guys.
You're hungry.
You're hungry or you're angry? You look more angry than hungry.
You want chicken? Chicken ham.
You didn't just eat a big ass pizza at the restaurant that you couldn't
finish it?
even manage to carry home half of it.
It was supposed to be half, but somebody gets 2 pieces and another one gets 1 piece. It's just 1/4 remains.
I don't understand why French and Italian make pizza for one person that big and expect you to eat it off.
You're
And most
talking to
time
me
y'all
that
eat
get used to
off.
salad now. My stomach
Exactly.
not used to
Normally
eat that
when they
big.
go to a restaurant and have a pizza like that,
I finish it.
No, not coming
But
back
also,
home. You
usually I
couldn't even
take,
eat
sometimes I
half.
take cheesy or thing like this. This one you have potatoes, you have
But even
heavy
so,
cheese,
no
yes.
matter, you would still eat it off.
No.
Guys, we are coming on to end today's vlog. It was a good day.
Oh, it was a great day.
It was an amazing
It was a
day.
great day. Thank you for motivating me this morning to go to this journey. It
Which we
was
wasn't going
pretty
to do.
beautiful, and like you want to do more and more and more.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It
just
was amazing.
peaceful, quiet, feel alone,
Oh,
feel.
you just feel like you're
Yeah, that was definitely a
at
great
peace.
day. When I hiking, this hiking is not.
It was beautiful.
It's
It
not,
was different from all the
It's not
others.
sea view,
But
is
it makes you
mountain.
be away.
Oh yeah,
It was good.
I loved it.
So hopefully you guys enjoy another day of vacation. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and we will see you guys tomorrow.